Okay. So ito po yung ating this is our team project phase 3. So ito po yung Des Alps. Ito po ay it's a community build also. It's a community build program, parang crowdfund, which aims to help everybody else worldwide. So, ang nakalagay dito, we are in the business of changing lives. Yan po yung kanilang motto, to change people's lives. So ito pong Des Alps ay brainchild po ito ng mga French community sa Canada. So it is a labor of love. Na-create po ito the last 4 years pa. They were thinking about this for the longest time. So ngayon po nila naayos ng maigi and they are ready to launch ng December 1 tentative, but it is they're praying it will launch December 1 exactly. So ang aim po nila is to help the average people create a substantial life-changing income in a relatively short period of time. So yun po yung goal nila. So yung ating pong company, well-established po yung mga may-ari nito. They're multimillionaires, hindi na nila kailangan ng pera, pero dumating yung point na grabe din po yung nangyari sa kanila. They know how it is to not have money. So yung paghihirap nilang yon, nung naka-recover sila, they wanted also to help people na ganun yung kinalalagyan sa ngayon. So it is a very noble objective. So ako, ganun ako, yun yung gusto ko po talaga. I would like to see everybody earn that money. I would be very happy pag lahat po tayo talaga kumikita ng ino-offer ng programa na to. So natuwa po ako na once again, it came into my lap at the moment when we needed it. Kasi po kami po ay galing sa phase 2 namin and we are having difficulty already to push that program because from the start hindi maayos po ang umpisa namin. We did have a rule of engagement pero huli namin siya nailagay so that marami pong mga free riders. Sumama, walang ginawa, but they are earning the money and not giving back. So therefore, medyo nahirapan kami. So when I saw this program, naisip ko po na this program can help yung ating phase 2. And we will help phase 2. Kasi ang mga sumama po dito sa phase 3 are all members of the phase 2. And our objective, one of our objectives, ay tulungan natin yun so that we help everybody succeed in phase 2 while succeeding at the same time dito sa phase 3. So kaya po nitong phase 3 na gawin yun. So, let's look at this. So my disclaimer po dito, in any legitimate business, ang Des Alps po is a legitimate business, it is legal, it is moral. Yun po ang sinasabi talaga ng mga may-ari. This is registered in Canada at alam po natin very stringent ang rules sa Canada when it comes to business. Pag po sila ay palsipikado, talagang masasara po ang kanilang kumpanya. So malaki-malaki po itong Des Alps. They are including a lot po ng mga online how do you call that? Online may mga products like Amazon, ganun. Yun, isinasama po na magsasama-sama sila para magkakaroon tayo ng sarili natin dito na parang online store. Hindi ko maisip yung store. Anyway, so ito po ay it is a disclaimer. Ang nakalagay po dito, anong tawag na? Examples of possible earnings presented in this presentation are simply examples of what can happen under the parameters presented. And if we lived in perfect world, and obviously we are not living in perfect world. So there is no way meant to be an indicator or guarantee of what any individual can earn. Individual earnings are strictly based upon each individual effort and circumstances, and that will vary from one individual to the next. So yun po, kailangan basahin po daw yun when you do a presentation involving these kinds of programs. So ito po yung quick key points ng Des Alps. It is a one-time, 129 out of pocket. One time lang po natin ito ilalabas. 120 is the fee for the program and the $9 is the fee for your back office. So yung $9 po, ano po yan? Every month po nagbabayad tayo so that meron pong nag-aasikaso ng ating mga commissions and that we get that money month after month after month. So yan po ang babayaran natin. And This one-time out-of-pocket can earn you an amazing monthly long-term income. Kaya nagustuhan ko po kasi consistent siya every month. Masa-shock po kayo magkano yung kikita nyo every month dito. So wala po tayong auto-ship. We're not the same as the other groups na may mga subscription, auto-ship, hindi po. Pero meron po tayong expenses. Because we are conducting business, we have expenses. Parang traditional business po. Meron kang overhead cost. You pay for your employees, you pay for your electricity bills, you pay for water, you pay for rent. That's your expense. It is the same in what we're doing. We have expenses. But these expenses can turn you money month after month after month. So napakaganda po ng ginawa nila. So lahat po ng monthlies natin and upgrades would come out of your profit and are totally optional. So yun ang maganda dito. Hindi ka pinipilit. Kung ayaw mong magbigay ng expenses mo every month, wala kang kita. So if you are willing to put in the expense, then kikita ka. Ganun lang naman. So parang traditional din. Ayaw mo bayad ng renta mo doon sa iyong building, sasara ka nila, sarado, wala kang kita. Ganun din dito. So nothing is different. So sometimes because people, yung mindset po nila is not business mindset. A lot of people. So pagka may sinabing bayad na $9 sa office, ba't ako magbabayad niyan? Akala ko one time na $129. So that's not supposed to be the mindset of a businessman. So ako po, businessman po ang mindset ko. Kaya I would also share my, anong tawag mo a little bit of what I value and what I believe are the principles of a proper business, anong tawag mo rito? Proper conduct of a business. So, ito po ay international opportunity. So, meron tayong universal digital product that can also increase in value. So, doon sa kabila namin, may BNB kami, nag-increase in value. It is the same here. So, this is partially decentralized. Meron din tayong coin, ang tawag ay DesOuts coin, that you can use to purchase products, that you can use to pay for people, ganun. You can use that. Automatic po. They deduct it from it is included in our expense monthly. And there are no additional costs to get that coin. Kasi integrated po. Ito po ay, we will automate our system actually. So pagka nag-register na po tayo, we will automate it for level 1 to 5 so that we earn the $9,751 month after month after month. So, automatic pong aayusin niya na gano'n. So, ngayon, ito pong programa na to, pag titignan mo, nobody will drop out. Kumikita ka unang pasok mo, $129. May dinala kang dalawa, which is the requirement of this program. May kita ka $200. How will you drop out? Because you're profitable. Sa unang level pa lang, profitable ka. So, walang pag-asang mag-drop out. Second level, lampas-lampas ka na ng kita. $600 in the second level. So, paano ka magda-drop out? Eh, wala talaga, sabi nila, walang drop out dito. So, sa payment natin on December 1, kasi ngayon po, tayo po na mga nasa leaders, leadership group. We are about to start worldwide. Yung 01 po, mag-enroll lang yan within the week. But Lunes po, naka-enroll na yan. May back office na yung 01 natin, si Gary, yung nag-present kaninang umaga. So pagka-enroll niya, ibibigay niya yung link niya sa dalawa niyang level 1, which is Bob and Richard ba yun? Then, after po nilang mag-register, then the links will go down the levels, one level at a time, until I get my link. Pag nakuha ko po yung link ko, I will register and then I give it to the first 2 people at level 1, and then we distribute. Ako po yung mag-distribute ng links so that hindi tayo magkakamali on our first 5 levels. So filled up na po yung 5 levels natin by the time next week. Over na po. Baka level 6, 7 na po tayo. So, it's a good news kasi po pagka tayo December 1 launch, nagbayad lahat yun, may unang kikita po ng $10,000. All the others will earn $5,000, $4,000, $3,000. Ganon. Ganon ang mangyayari sa atin. Before December, everybody would earn that money. Maganda po yung Pasko natin. So, Ngayon, nasa na ako. So, you can pay in credit card, nung ating $120, you can pay in credit card, you can pay, debit card, you can also pay in USDC or USDT TRC20. So, pareho po nilang ino-offer yan. Some people are not bank, wala silang bangko, so they would opt for the blockchain. Ako po, ang aking payment is USDT TRC20. Wala po kasi akong credit card. I have debit cards, pero mas masarap pong gumamit kasi ng blockchain. So I will use USDT TRC20. For those of you dito na wala pong debit card, walang credit card, and you would pay cash, I can assist you po to buy a USDT TRC20 so that you could put in your initial entry fee of $120 and $129 kung hindi pa kayo makakasama dito sa ating launch na leaders group. Pero isinasuggest ko po, kasi ang una natin babayaran next week, pag pumasok po yung leaders team, $45. Bakit? Kasi po, ang ating fee monthly sa ating back office ay $9. So, i-multiply mo yan 12 times ka magbabayad, $108. Pero ngayon, binibigyan ng discount yung mga leaders po. So, ang mga leaders will pay a discounted price of $45. That's already for 12 months na back office fee. So, ang laki po nang na-discount po natin. So, ngayon, ang ating pong commissions are received daily. So lahat po ng papatak po doon sa ating yung ating level, we earn it daily po. So pupunta po 'yan sa diretso po sa wallet nyo. So it is instant and it goes directly to your wallet in your back office. Back office po tayo, website po tayo. Hindi po tayo Web3 wallet, hindi po. Website po tayo. So you have a wallet there specific for desk outs, because you can actually put yung mga kung ano yung gusto nyo saan pupunta ang payout nyo. Pwede po na via the debit card na ipoprovide ng company. Pero yung debit card ng desk outs, mga middle of December pa daw po yata. Ewan ko kung ma-expedite nila. So doon pwede natin idiretso yung ating mga pera doon sa debit card. You can use the debit card worldwide at the same time. Every time na gagamitin mo yung debit card na yun, meron kang 1.5% rebates, cashback sa binibili nyo. So, ang ganda po ng gagawin nilang programa. So, but kung wala pa po yung debit card, you can put in your bank details. Pwede pong diretso sa bangko nyo. Pero ang nakakatakot po, yung AMLA sa Pilipinas. So, pag ang kinikita mo every month po ay $9,000, sigurado tatawagin ka po at hahanapin pati income tax return mo, etc., etc. That's why I don't like to use it. I will use the blockchain wallet. Okay? Para wala pong nakakakita sa transaction ko. Okay. So, ang ating pong business, because it's a legit, legal, moral business, kailangan po 18 years old and above at one account per person. Bakit? Kasi meron pong KYC. There is a know your customer requirement. Kasi gusto nila makita, sino ka? Kung legit ka ba? Kung hindi ka ba robot? Ganon. So, it shows that we are really a legitimate program. So, ang mga kumingi po kasi ng KYC, mga wallets, e-wallets, mga bangko, ganon. All legitimate transactions. So, anong tawag dyan? Just sticking with this deal and following our lead can see your income increase almost automatically over time. Matindi po ang income dito. So ito po yung compensation plan natin. It might be very complex in the beginning, but I will try to summarize and simplify. So ito po, wag nyo nang titignan lahat-lahat yan. Alkalagay dyan, titignan nyo lang po yung level. So yung level 1, we are completing a 2x20 matrix 2x20 structure. Ayoko pong gamitin yung matrix because a lot of people doesn't understand what matrix is all about. So we are completing a 2x20 structure. So, ang 1 to 5 is phase 1. So ano yung 1 to 5? Yan yung magbibigay sa atin ng daily income and then monthly income na tuloy-tuloy, recurring monthly income of $9,751. Yung 6 to 10, yan po ay yearly. So minsan ka magbayad once a year, tapos you earn that daily for 1 year. At saka yung phase 3, yung 11 to 20, yan po ay one-time lifetime. Minsan ka magbayad, lifetime mo na pong kikitain yan, kada patak ng tao dyan, $100. Actually, lahat ng patak ng tao magmula level 1 hanggang level 20, $100 every time. Every person coming in your team, that's $100, $100, $100. At hindi po itong ginawa nila. So, makikita niyo po dito sa summary, ang level 1 to level 5 po talaga ay meron tayo ditong automatic deduction of the upgrades. Para pong sa RIBE DNB din, may upgrade din po doon pero manual. Dito po hindi. Incorporated in the system so that you don't feel it, you don't know that there is an upgrade but you are earning. So ang maganda po dito, nag-upgrade yung number 1 5 times within a month. Yung level 2, nag-upgrade 4 times. Yung level 3, nag-upgrade 3 times. Yung level 4, nag-upgrade 2 times. Yung level 5, 1 time lang. Kasi yung iba yung upgrades, papasok na sa level 6. And you will also earn that once you are engaged in level 6 to 10. So, magkano yung kinikita natin? Gross. Gross income po natin, tingnan nyo po. 100 income every time, or 100, 100, 100. How many people are there at levels? So, level 1, 2. Level 2, 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 14 plus 16 equals 30. Pinag-add po nila 30 plus 32 equals 62. So there are 62 people from level 1 to level 2. Level 1 to level 5. So, yung gross revenue natin ay sa level 1, 200. Level 2, 600. Yan ang kikitain po natin gross. Wala pa pong binabawas dyan na upgrades. Level 4, level 3, $1,400. Level 4, $3,000. Level 5, $6,200. A total of $11,400. Ngayon, babawasan po tayo ng ito. Ito po yung round 1 na bawas. 1,649. Yan yung upgrades na gagawin natin. So if you deduct, later ayusin ko po ito, pasensya na, hindi ko na natapos. Buong araw ko nagtrabaho, itong hindi ko na-summarize. So, 11,400 minus 1,649 upgrades, the net income na makukuha po natin, $9,751 month after month after month. Whether you're sleeping or you're running or whatever you do, you go out, you come to the meetings of your children, you go around the world, every day, you receive the income from the upgrades of your people, 62 people in level 1 to 5. You receive the upgrades kasi hindi po pare-pareho. Pwede pong may nauunang mag-upgrade kasi nauna silang pumasok. Ganon, the date of entry would determine, I believe, would determine their monthly contribution. So, nai-spread po yan on a daily basis. At the end of the month, it is a total $9,751 in your wallet. Total. So, it's all up to you. Don't use it all at once because pag inubos nyo po yan, kinuha nyo, tuwan-tuwa po kayo, namasyal kayo, inubos nyo yung 9,750, next month wala na po kayong kita. Bakit? Kasi walang i-deduct yung system sa inyong upgrade. So pag hindi kayo nabawasan ng upgrade, wala pong kita, wala po kayo 9,750 next month. So make sure you leave enough amount of money in your wallet for your upgrades. So tingnan ko kung naisama ko po, hindi ko yata naisama. So ito po yung detalyado nun. So ayan, level 1, there is a 5 times upgrade of level 1 people. So ang ibinigay nila 1,000, level 2 1,600, level 3 2,400, level 4 3,200, level 5 3,200, total of 11,400. But you have upgraded with a total expenditure, tawag po nila expense. So you have given an upgrade expense of 129, 200, 330, 440, 550. Yan, hindi ko alam paano kinumpute. Basta may computation yan. Ang total ay 1,649. That will be deducted from your system. And your net, 11,400 minus 1,649, your net income, $9,751. Yan po yung level 1 to 5 only. So, as we go down the level, ito na po, level 6 to 10, tingnan niyo po. Merong bayad dyan, 1,001 po ang bayad dyan. Para makapag-participate ka, kasi may pumapasok na tao sa 6 to 10 mo, magbabayad ka ng 1,100, 1 year na po yan. So that you receive everything. All people dropping in your 6 to 10, you earn 100 every time. 100, 100, 100. So there are 4,072 people. Magkano ang kita mo? Ito po. You will earn every year $407,200. Sa peso po yan, 25 million. Yearly po yan, yearly. Okay, yung 1 to 5 daily, monthly. O, ito po ang one-time lifetime. Ngayon, lumalim ang grupo mo. 11 to 20. So, sama-sama po tayo magpapalalim, ha? Yung aking rules of engagement, i-discuss ko sa huli para marating natin yung 11 to 20. So, that's 2,100 one time, lifetime. Minsan mo lang ilalagay yan, kumikita ka 9,700 every month. Lagay mo yan, 2-1. Bakit? Lahat ng papatak sa level 11 hanggang level 20 mo, lahat, 100 kada isa. And you have 409, ilan? 4.1 million, 4.194,260,000. Ay, sorry. 4,194,260 people. So, ano mangyayari? Ang kikitain mo po dyan sa one-time lifetime, pagka po yan naipon mo, ay $419 million. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, lifetime na po yan. So, non-stop. We will help everybody down the line. With our system, ipapatuloy po natin yan hanggang level 20. So, kahit namamasyal na po tayo sa Europe, may pumapasok dyan. So, anong tawag nila because they're earning, they will do it. So, $419 million is around billion na po yan, 25 billion pesos. Okay? So, yan po yung complan niya, isang page. Ngayon, so congratulations. You have now turned your one-time $129 to a monthly income, yearly income, and a lifelong income. Yan po yung ating programa dito sa ating DesAlps. So, you remember that your monthly upgrades become your monthly expense. So, isipin mo, nagtayo ka talaga ng negosyo dito and you have an expense which does not come out of your pocket. It comes out of your profit. So, walang problema po yan. So that you will continue earning. So, you set aside additional funds to cover upgrades on the level 6 to 10 and to the 11 and 20. So, yun po yung sinasabi dito. So, isasummarize ko po ito. Ito po yung ginawa ko kanina. Ito po ginawa ng isang nating kasama dito. Galing-galing niya. Napakaswerte ko po na nakilala ko siya. So, kasama din po natin dito. Siyang gumawa kanina dito. So, ito po yung summary. Ito yung income distribution. So, yung daily income po natin, ayan. It is 100 per person for all people that would populate your level 1 to 5. So, instant income po ito, direct to your wallet. Ang inyong net income is 9,751. It is a recurring income monthly. Paulit-ulit, month after month after month. Kung ang level 1 to 5 mo ay completely filled. So ang goal po natin dito is for each and everybody to have 62 people in level 1 to level 5. Yan ang pagtutulungan po natin. That everybody must have immediately their level 1 to 5. Everybody. So as we help everybody get their level 1 to 5, we are already approaching our level 6 to 10, correct? So level 6 to 10 naman. So yan naman yung yearly income natin. So ako po ba'y naririnig? Naka-record pala ito. So yearly income naman ang babagsakan. So sa yearly income po, yung level 6 to 10, 100 per person din. Every person that would populate that level 6 to level 10, instant income po, it goes directly to your wallet. So ang total income po dyan is 407,200. Yearly po, every year. So meron kang parang, anong tawag mo dyan, parang naglagay ka ng time deposit, every year, makukuha mo po ay 25 million pesos. Pero ang ginamit mo lang para kitain mo yan ay 1,100 pesos, which is around, magkano ngayon, times 60,000 pesos. Nilagay mo lang to earn you 25 million. Okay, then there is one time. So habang tinutulungan natin sila lahat na magkaroon ng level 5 nila, we are now approaching our level 11 to level 10. Level 11 to level 20. So, yan yung one time. Minsan ka lang maglalagay ng 2,100. So parang 100,000 plus. Para ka lang para kang legend. Gano'n din. Pero dito, ang malupit dito, nag-legend ka, pero tuloy-tuloy everyday. Lahat ng papasok, $100 ang bawat isa. A total of a lifetime income of $419 million plus. Ganun po itong plan na ito. So therefore, parang you get to be excited every day when you wake up. Bakit? May papatak po sa wallet mo eh. Unlike yung walang pumapatak sa wallet mo, nakakapagod pong gawin talaga yung walang pumapatak. Pero pag may pumatak, tuwa ka, excited ka. So you can talk about it to friends because you're earning. You show it is not proper to show your earnings kasi po bawal po yun sa regulations talaga sa Amerika. Enticement po kasi yan ipapakitang income. But in our case, isekreto mo lang, friend, huwag mo na ipapakita to, tingnan mo yung income ko, nagte-$10,000 ako a month. I don't know about you kung gusto mo yung $10,000 a month. Would you be interested? Paano yan? Okay na yan. Tapos na pag tinanong ka, paano yan? You make sure you close your deal. Ako po, ganun ako makipag-usap. Pag tinanong mo ako na ano yan, sorry, makakuklose na kita. Wag mong tatanungin, wag mo akong tatanungin na anong ginagawa ko. Kasi patay ka sa akin, kasama kita. Okay? That's how you do it. That's how you mindset yourself na you attract things of what you believe. Ganun po ang ating andar dito. Ituturo ko po sa inyo lahat ng mga inaral ko sa aking mga mentors. Okay, so ngayon, that is not the only income you will have. Kasi po magkakaroon tayo ng malaking mall. It's an online mall na makakabili ka ng high-end products na yung mga gusto mo. Initially, it will be open in Canada and the US. And then slowly, it will trickle down to the Asian countries, to Europe, to everywhere where it is operating. Kasi dito kumikita din tayo. So meron tayong rebates dito. Ang requirement dito para makipag-participate ka sa rebates ng mga purchases ng mga downlines mo is to buy just one product. It doesn't matter how much. Wala pong sinasabi. Basta bumili ka isa. O kung anong mga gusto mo, bumili ka ng iPhone 50. Ganon. Isang iPhone 50. Wala pa pong 50. So bumili ka ng iPhone mo, bumili ka ng iyong laptop kasi kailangan mo sa business mo. Oh, that's your purchase. O bumili ka man lang ng set ng facial care. That's already a purchase. Whatever it is a purchase to qualify you for rebates from the purchases of your team members from level 1 to level 20. Okay. So, Des Alps will also have their own exclusive debit card. Ito yung sinabi ko. Scheduled to be introduced before Christmas. So, it will have a tiered commission. Ito yung meron pong commission din, meron ka rebates, ganon. Gagawan nila. So, malalaman natin yan pag nilaunch siya. Okay. So, nagpagawa pa ako doon sa aking partner, si John. Tingnan niyo po, ang ganda-ganda. Ito po yung ating teaser banner. So, Des Alps program. You earn daily 100 for every registration in your team. You earn 9,751 per month, after month, and many more. It is an instant and direct to wallet earnings, one time 129. Get back to the person who shared with you this information to get started. So yan po yung ating banner, teaser banner. And then, ito po ang malupit. Nagpagawa po ako ng rules of engagement for the program that we should strictly follow. So if you do not follow, you are not meant to be part of this group. Because we will follow this so that we could help one another. So ano yung rules natin? There are 4 that I would ask. So hindi ko po natatanda, may iniisip po ako na hindi ko matanda. Alam nyo yung naka-banner sa kalsada na for truth. Ano yun? Is it the truth? Is it beneficial to all? Pakisabi nyo nga sa akin ano yun? Anong organization yung naglagay yun? Parang ganito to. So tatanungin mo yung kinausap mo. Pagkatapos mong kausapin, interesado na. So tatanungin mo po siya. Kailangan mo siyang tanungin bago mo siya ipasok. So ito po yung rules ng engagement. Ibasahin mo.
Lions Club, ma'am. Lions Club.
Rotary
Lions
Club.
Club.
Rotary
Rotary
Club.
Club.
Ay gusto ko yan yung apat na yan. Hindi ko matandaan, pero ganun yung sa atin. So, you must read this to your prospect, please. Ginagawa ko na po ito. Alam nung mga kinausap ko, tinatanong ko, sasabihin ko, are you willing to pay the one-time out-of-pocket $129 to participate in this program? Opo. Okay. Very good. I have to ask you the second question. Are you committed to bring 2 people? Ay, opo. Dadala po kami. Okay. You're qualified. Number 3 question. Are you committed to help your 2 people bring their 2 people? Ay, opo, tutulungan. Yung opo niya, medyo bumabagal. Pero we have to do that. Kapag may dalawa ka na, huwag kang tumigil, pumrentit, wala na, tahaya-hayahay. You have to help your 2 find their 2, and it should be duplicated. At yung pangatlo, pang-apat po, tinatanong ko po ito, alam nung mga kinausap ko po, do you have a giving heart? Do you know what gratitude is? Because we will give back. As soon as we earn that money, I will put a schedule ng pagbibigay ng pay forward to the next levels. Para po sustained yan. Kasi kikita po tayo pag nagtumulong ka, lalo kang parami yung levels mo, 6 to 10, 11 to 20, and you earn more and more and more as you give. As you give, you earn. As we give, we earn. You give and you shall receive. Yun po yung ating mga motto dito. If this is not accepted by a person na kinakausap nyo, then they are not ready to come in the program. But if they're ready to tell, kumikita ka 9,751, is that your own effort? I'm sure it is not. It is the effort of all the team na naglagay ng tao sa ilalim mo. And therefore, as a gratitude, magbibigay tayo so that they too will have their own level 5 people. So that's how it is that you look back and you give back as a gratitude. Yun po yung gusto ko lang. We are the first leaders po yung nandito po ngayon. We are the first leaders. Let's set the values in place in our program. And our value is just an act of giving. Yun po yung gusto ko lang. Act of giving, act of teamwork, out of helping one another, caring for one another, trusting one another. Yan po yung ating gagawin. So ako tumataas po yung balahibo ko because this has not been done for the many years na nagtrabaho po ako sa network marketing. Tayo po, dog eat dog worm. Kanya-kanya tayo, bahala ka sa buhay mo, crossline kita, mag-isa ka dyan, ako mabilis akong trumawaho. Ganun po yung mga pananaw ng maraming tao. Today, no. We are trying to come as one team, as unified team, and let's make it happen for everybody. Let's make it happen. We will be the happiest people pag lahat po tayo kumikita. Alam niyo yun. And then we will meet each other all over. We will meet each other worldwide. Kasi ako po, ang gusto ko po bago po ako tumanda at hindi na ako makalakad na mabilis, gusto ko po mag-travel all over the world. I will meet our team in Europe, in Greece, in the US, in wherever po na in Canada. Ako po sa Canada pupunta. We have team in Alberta, we have team in kung saan-saan po, Vancouver, in Toronto. Gusto ko pong magliwaliw. So we don't have team in Switzerland. So let's find one in Switzerland. So yun po. We have team in Saipan now. We have team in Singapore. We have team in Hong Kong. Marami na po. And let's go around the world. Let's meet each other in the beaches of the world. Yan po yung gusto natin gawin kasi lahat tayo hindi na bata. Pero yung mga batang nandito, you are lucky that you have found this program. So, I think I am done. We are very close. Next week po, mag-uumpisa na po tayo. But it's not $9. It is $45 initial payment for your 12-month back office fee. Discounted po yan ng malaki-malaki. 108 dapat. Pero 45 po nila ibinigay sa mga leaders. And then December 1, prepare your money. It's now payment for 120 dun sa mga naunang nag-register. Pero yung mga bagong magre-register po, $129 one time out of pocket. Yun po yung ating programa. So I'm done. We will have a question and answer po. I will stop the recording.